This is an Alberta emergency alert. The evacuation order is still in effect in Yellowhead County for the area east of Shining Bank to the rail line north of Nidon. Evacuation area is, north of CN rail line above Nidon, east of Highway 32, south of Township RD 570, east to Range Road 130, south to Township RD 561, and east to Range RD 110. There is a wildfire east of Shining Bank Lake. Evacuation routes: south on Range RD 130 or Highway 32, west on Highway 748 or south on Highway 751. Reception center is Holiday Inn in Edson, 4522 Ave. Register at the reception center. Or call 1-833-334-4630 for evacuee registration information. Evacuate the area. Gather important documents, pets, and medication, food, and water for 3 days. Go to www.alberta.ca/emergency alert for updates.